Good day, everyone. I am Nurfiana, Assistant Professor at Polytechnic Institute of Nuclear Technology, National Research and Innovation Agency of Indonesia. It is an honor for me to be able to speak at this webinar, the Korea and Southeast Asia's effort to achieve the UN Sustainable Development Goals through peaceful application of nuclear science and technology, especially for goal number 6, clean water and sanitation. Today, I will present our project to treat batik wastewater with gamma irradiation. The batik industry is a traditional textile industry that has been recognized by UNESCO as intangible cultural heritage of humanity since 2009. It has rapidly grown and contributed significantly to Indonesia's economic growth. And you know, the word batik is wax, right? And this is basically what batik is. It is a way of decorating cloth by covering part of it with a coat of wax, then dyeing the cloth. Batik will also be defined as a process of making motifs or ornaments on certain materials, mostly cotton fabric. Some cities in Indonesia could be classified as craftsman area, including Pekalongan City. In the Pekalongan City itself, there were 1,449 small and medium batik industry. It mostly produced by small and medium enterprises. In general, the process of making batik involves 5 main stages. One is preparation on the cloth, and then painting and waxing, and then coloring or dyeing, removing wax or washing, and the last one is drying process. Most of the process are carried out simply with conventional technology. Actually, not all process produce wastewater. Preparation of the cloth for batik is the cloth washed and boiled in water many times. The process produce wastewater contain alum, sodium carbonate, Turkish red oil, and mild detergent. The painting and waxing is we apply the wax to the cloth, and there is 2 types. The first is handwritten, and the second one is stamp batik. And this process is not produces water. The third one is coloring or dyeing. This means applying color to the cloth using natural ingredient or synthetic. This process is produced with water that contain organic or synthetic dyes, sodium nitrate, sodium silicate, soda ash, chloric acid, and rice starch. Next is removing wax or washing. This process is removing the wax using boiled water. And this one, we produce wastewater contains sodium hydroxide, calcium hypochlorite, and detergent. The last process is drying. This mostly use the sun drying and not produce wastewater at all. With various kind of chemical content in the wastewater, it will cause the parameter or characteristic of batik wastewater to exceed the safe threshold that is permitted to be discharged directly into the environment. We can see at the table that the BOD, COD, TSS, and another is exceed the effluent standard from our government regulation. From the data got by Royal Haskoning Survey on 2022, from 1,449 batik industry, they visit 40 industry and got 36 industry surveyed. 51% of surveyed industry dispose of their water, batik wastewater, directly into the river. 26% into communal wastewater treatment drainage, 15% into individual wastewater treatment plant, 6% collected into communal wastewater treatment plant, and the last 2% into open drainage. The batik small and medium enterprises usually put the processing unit in residential areas or areas which are not designated as industrial area and without treatment facility. Usually, they discharge the effluent directly into a river or drainage system after minimal or no treatment. You can see at the video that we take one time accidentally. This one. You can see the red color of dyeing process maybe. Directly discharged into the river. The untreated batik wastewater with high quantity of dyes, wax, and heavy material used in the coloring process lead to several environmental problems and poses public health risks. Some also dyes in the batik industry are aromatic compounds that are toxic, mutagenic, and also carcinogenic. When there is a flood through the batik village, the flood water will become colorful according to the color of the dye that is waste from the batik. Like the news from BBC, this one, the flooding have the red color because of the batik dyes. The regional water supply company of Pekalongan cannot utilize the river as a water source. Alternatively, the company mainly abstract groundwater at several locations in Pekalongan city. A program called PAMSIMAS. There is a community-based water provision, extract groundwater at several locations to provide clean water. Furthermore, the household also mainly install on-site groundwater pumps at their house. The situation accelerates the rate of land subsidence in the city of Pekalongan. Circumstances are worse by climate change, which caused the north of the city to be vulnerable to flooding. Actually, there is wastewater treatment plant in Pekalongan city. There are 3 wastewater treatment plants: Jenggot Village, Kauman Village, and Banyu Urip Village wastewater treatment plant. Maximum total capacity on each wastewater treatment plant is 400, 250, and 150 meter cubic each day. The number of batik industry already connect to join wastewater treatment plant, but the capacity of the wastewater treatment is not sufficient to cope with the growth of batik industry flowing. Thus, produce effluent of wastewater treatment plant cannot meet the effluent standard. On 21 July to 3 August 2019, we attend the workshop on establishment of freshwater resource management plan by strengthening capacity for wastewater treatment through radiation fusion technology in South Korea, carried out in collaboration with KAIRI, OICA, and RCA. With the new knowledge gained, at the end of the workshop, we were asked to make an action plan. And with such batik wastewater problem, we chose the theme to solve the problem with nuclear technology. The title we chose is Feasibility Study of Batik Wastewater Treatment through Radiation Fusion Technology for Indonesia. This project will support the Sustainable Development Goals number 6, clean water and sanitation as well. And as a polytechnic, with the knowledge from the training and from discussion with all our colleagues, we also made nuclear teaching industry document for the nuclear technochemistry study program. With the theme we chose is industrial wastewater treatment using the gamma irradiation technology. Teaching industry can be created by collaboration between polytechnic or universities with local government, as well as industry and society. In this nuclear teaching industry program, we hope to realize a wastewater treatment plant that utilizes nuclear technology, in this case is irradiator, so that students can learn directly to apply knowledge in various lines on that wastewater treatment plant. With the knowledge that water exposed to radiation can produce active radicals that can break down the molecule or other chemical into the smaller one, we conduct experiment on the degradation of basic wastewater by gamma radiation. We irradiated the sample with observer-based irradiator. Here is irradiator type 1 from isotope Hungary, with current dose rate is around 2.91 kilograms per hour, and the results are very visible as in the picture that the color gradually fades with increasing radiation dose. Right? The BOD and COD result also indicate the good result. They decrease with the increasing dose, but the COD cannot meet the requirement to discharge directly to the environment. This is indicate that after treating with the irradiation, the sample still has to go to through the next stage as passes through the bioreactor with microorganism and another method. We also conduct the toxicity test with Tapia magna, and the test is show that after 10 kilograms radiation, the sample have no acute toxicity compared to the previous one. The result of this research show that the nuclear technology with gamma irradiation is quite promising as a solution to overcome the problem of basic wastewater in Pekalongan City. To follow up the program, in 9 to 21 January 2023, we will conduct the technical consulting to treat textile or batik wastewater on the radiation fusion technology at Pekalongan City in Indonesia. This program is in cooperation Korea Nuclear International Cooperation Foundation, KONICOF, with Korea Atomic Energy Research Institute, Polytechnic Institute of Nuclear Technology, and the government of Pekalongan City, Indonesia. The date is now. That is why I cannot present directly in this webinar. I'm sorry about that. This program focuses on building the capacity to treat the batik wastewater on the radiation technology in Pekalongan. The target participants are management or planner and technician of batik wastewater in Pekalongan City, the academic community of the Polytechnic Institute of Nuclear Technology, as well as the brain personnel from related directorates and research center. The expert team will come to Indonesia is Dr. Hyunjin Kim, Dr. Han Suk-ko, Dr. Song Ho-yu, Dr. Tae-Nuk Kim, and Professor Jiwuri. We hope that this program will make us to realize the wastewater treatment with gamma irradiator. So thank you, KONICOF, for all the things. Thank you.